उतरा मैदान में तो डर से हैरान तू, अब चांद तू तेरी जान से आया तो परेशान तू, करे खान तू तो टिकना असंभव, तो सब से लड़ लूंगा जल्दी से, टाल तू ले रनिंग फटाफट उठा ले सटासट, जितना भी बंदूक मिले भर ले खचाखच, कोई अचानक से प्रकट तेरे सामने तो हाथ में ना कुछ भर दे, मुझके घबरा मत तू चामत अकेले, दोस्तों का साथ ले भी खेले थी ना ताकि लगे लाशों के सेले, अब लगा ले स्कोप लगा ले हुक, सुन नसीब से अजीब से लगा है शॉट, कोई करीब से बरसते अजीब से फरिश्ते खड़े पे फायर कर होते हैं बॉस, कोई लड़की के रूप में लगे तुझे हॉट, लड़कियां भी तेज है मारे तेरी मौत, दबा दे तू घर ढूंढ ले कोई शायद कोई रिवाइव करे तो मी माई सेल्फ अब छल्ली कर दूंगा, खाली कर दूंगा लो अंदर तेरे, पूरा भर दूंगा मैं करूंगा ऐसा काम कर दूंगा, हलक जाम चढ़ लिया तुझे तेरा होगा अब काम तमाम, कटेगा लंगड़ेगा भड़केगा मुझ पे अब बॉम्ब नहीं ढूंढ ले झंडू बाम।
There can only be one winner. Let's go!
शुक्र मानिए तो बस गेम ऐसे मैं कितने मेरे जैसे पर सबका एक फेम है, नेम है ऋषिरिक सबसे अलग में तो हैकर उतरे तो फिर उसका भी गेम है भाई, अब तू समझ जा मैं खेली हूँ कट्टर, तू हटकर तो देख गेम से दिखता है बदतर, एक चद्दर के अंदर लिपटा सुअर भी तो दिखता है ऊपर से, मन सा सुंदर अब ऊपर से सुनकर हवा कर जख्म कह रहे हैं ठीक से दबाकर, तू चाकर भी जीत ना पाएगा, खाएगा तो फटके भागेगा तुम दबाकर क्षमा कर, लीली मैंने तेरी कहकर तू सहकर भी बनना चाहता मुझसे बेहतर है फिकर, तू दुनिया तो झूठ से प्रेरित ले शेरे क्या देता हूँ पल भर में भरकर, अब कान खोलकर हाथ छोड़कर सुन मेरी बात, फिर मन छोड़कर मन का खोज पर चल पड़ा रोड पर, कम ना होता शर्म का चढ़ना होता, बन ना होता परम कर गंदा होता, नंगा होता टक्कर निकल चक्कर में फंस कर घस कर सब कर हंस कर बस कर तू चक्कर झुंड बनाकर गुनगुनाकर सच छुपाकर मत पूछाकर क्यों बराबर अपनी जगह पर, अपने आप से कर दी करामत, खुद के बाप कर दिए शरारत, अपना बाप चल दिया जहाँ पर अपन बाप कर दिए बाप, अब साफ कलम से लिखी विरासत।
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more, and I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging.
I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will, everything I'm working on, every night another song, they've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They going to school and they working a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock, nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring, I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master, I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get away, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke, and I'm looking back down on the people below.
I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will, everything I'm working on, every night another song, they've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
tongue. Looks like only I could get you done. And I need to get my life back to the sun. God, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry when I run. I'ma bite my tongue. Looks like only I could get you done. And I need to get my life back to the sun. God, I'm so sorry when I run. Wait until the fall comes. I got tracks on deck, so I put these girls back on red. Yeah. Bombshell at my crib. Right when it's all done, I wish that she left. Been thinking with my dick too much. These critics give me lip too much. Yeah. So I punch holes in the wall until my fist bleeds. See my finger on the trigger like would they miss me? I'ma bite my tongue. Looks like only I could get you done. And I need to get my life back to the sun. God, I'm so sorry when I run. I'ma bite my tongue. Looks like only I could get you done. And I need to get my life back to the sun. God, I'm so sorry when I run. I can't help I'm this way. God with me, help me cope with the pain. Yeah. Been a few months since I prayed. Church down the road, but I'm fucking sleeping again. Wake me up, I'm feeling lazy as shit. I ain't heard a church boy talk as crazy as this. You ain't never heard something this blunt from my lips. I just stopped caring what they would say about me, so here I am. I'ma bite my tongue. Looks like only I could get you done. And I need to get my life back to the sun. God, I'm so sorry when I run. I'ma bite my tongue. Looks like only I could get you done. And I need to get my life back to the sun. God, I'm so sorry when I run. Yeah. I won't bite my tongue no more. 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 And everything I'm saying be real. Everything I'm saying is changing lives. If you're feeling like me, just know that you're not alone. You're not alone. I'ma bite my tongue. Looks like only I can get you done. And I need to get my life back to the sun. God, I'm so sorry when I run. Yeah. I'ma bite my tongue. Looks like only I can get you done. And I need to get my life back to the sun. God, I'm so sorry when I run.
A secret spot just for us, where you can see the city perfectly. We don't have to do drugs, kiss or touch, but if you want to, that works for me. We can both pretend it's the first time, like we don't know what heartbreak feels like we ain't ever watched everything we love burn to the ground. Yeah, that'd be real nice. Look at the lights, I wonder if anyone sees us from all the way out there. Probably not. So what you waiting on? Go ahead, let it out now. I ain't scared, I got demons too, if you even know. Probably the only reason I believe in you. I know what they look like, and you've got the look like you've got something stuck inside. They slicing up your heart like pumpkin pie. It must be scrumptious, everyone just wants to try, until there's nothing left and yet they wonder why you running out. There's something leading you alive, 'cause there's something needing It's in the eyes, it's in the eyes. Even through a mask, they cannot be disguised. They are windows into your insides, and they say you haven't really been fine. Here's an idea to bring us in tighter. I'm sick of being empty, you sick of being tired. I wanna feel warmer, you wanna see a fire. I'm soaked in gasoline, you go ahead and drop the lighter. Now here's your chance, baby, I'm sitting right beside you. You cannot hold me down, but I like the way you try to. So push a little harder and squeeze a little tighter. It drives me crazy the way you let the crazy drive you. I see me and you see you and me. I say we pretend this is just a lucid dream. Cause you deserve a good night. Cause you've got the look like you've got something stuck inside. They slicing up your heart like pumpkin pie. It must be scrumptious, everyone just wants to try. Until there's nothing left and yet they wonder why.
Lately, I've been thinking about everything I told you. Like how when we get older, we'll still remain the best of friends. But now that we are over, I guess that there's no hope of us ever getting close. Cause I messed up, yeah, I know. You wish it wasn't all lies, and you wish you didn't feel pain when you look in my eyes. Now please tell me how I'm no different other guys, and then tell me you'll love me again, and it'll be alright. Yeah, just tell me lie after lie, like you've been doing before. Just tell me lie after lie, make me feel comfortable. Just tell me lie after lie, let your true colors show. Just tell me lies, since that's all we know.
Not everybody hold us down like they should. Some people only there when we doing good. Fair weather, fair, never can't bear with it. Know the world ain't fair, but we can't quit it. Know that things change up just to change us. You know everything a phase can't phase us. We the ones getting plays, can't play us. Know that we the one the ones can't trade us. I know it's hard sometimes, just wanna hear lies. We just wanna feel fine. Getting there takes time. But I know, sometimes we need to let go. A little distance help the love grow. Cause you know we reap what we sow.
Just tell me lie after lie, like you've been doing before. Just tell me lie after lie, make me feel comfortable. Just tell me lie after lie, let your true colors show. Just tell me lies, since that's all we know. Yeah, just tell me lie after lie, like you've been doing before. Just tell me lie after lie, make me feel comfortable. Just tell me lie after lie, let your true colors show. Just tell me lies, since that's all we know. Yeah.
I don't want fame, I just want love. I don't want fame, I just want trust. Why they all tryna knock me down? They should all know I'ma stay up. Everybody wanna play me, everybody wanna change me. Nobody ever gon' phase me. No fake accounts like KD, doing the shit that I want to. Nobody I'll ever run to. Every time that I come through, take shots but I'm gun proof. Know that I'm shooting right back. Killing them when I be dropping the track. Killing them and they be bringing it back. Killing them so I be wearing all black. Always been ready, this ain't a game, no confetti. I got my aim and I'm steady. I got the tunes like Ed, Ed and Eddie. I pull up and I let it go. No reply, but I read it though. Let my music just tell it though. All my shit been selling slow. I know you heard it. I tell the truth, no rewording. I'm telling facts, I'm assertive. It's building up like a burden. I got the weight on my shoulders. I'm gonna battle like soldiers. I'm always keeping composure. Nobody stopping my motor. And I'm gonna go and get everything I really wanted. I don't care about money, but keep it 100. Invest in myself when the money was running. Cause I just knew everyone really would love it. I don't want fame, I just want love. I don't want fame, I just want trust. Why they all tryna knock me down? They should all know I'ma stay up. And I wonder what it feels like when dreams are real life. When they gon' realize I don't care about fame, don't care about chains, don't care about lames. I want them to know my name, only so they can hear all of my flames. Said I'm insane, but now they just see me on top. I'm getting everything I wanted, but the grind never gon' stop. Cause I could lose it all tomorrow. I don't care about the follows, I could drown in all my sorrow. I just wanna hit the lotto, make a milli for my fam. But I'ma do it how I want it, hope the music gon' expand. And my album like the Chronic, I'm a real doctor, no fake shit. Gonna change my name when I make it, just to let them know that it's possible. Making music